All right, let's try this again. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Talking away. There you go. Good morning.
Hey, you guys.
Hey, you guys. Hey, Stretch. Brian and I were talking yesterday about possibly maybe having you do the morning meetup in here instead of the member hangout. That way you guys don't have to be moving over there in the morning. Okay. I'll work on that later. Let's see. Do we have news now? Will we have news?
No. Really?
Government's. Yeah, at 10 a.m. But will we have it? Is the $1,000 question.
I mean, you had non-farm employment change at 8:15, did nothing.
Yeah, it did nothing. I had my first losing night last night on gold. Lost $80.
Oh, you're a big loser.
I know, loser.
Big fat loser. $80.
It didn't do much last night. I was trying to force trades, I think. I might can get that back. We'll see.
Maybe.
National employment, private sector employment increased by 22,000 jobs. Trump says India won't buy Russian oil anymore.
Hey.
At least it's not cold this morning.
All right. So at least it's not cold this morning.
I mean, not my book. It might be a little bit for you.
Oh, it's cold in my book.
But listen, you'd have come last week. You'd have really been crying. This morning.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's see here. Okay.
Let's see.
All right. This might be a long setting up here on the ES and the NQ. This will be just about the time that I'd like to see it, I think.
What time is it? 8:22.
Just
Yeah,
about
it's
the
been
time
trying
that
to
I might
break
like to
that.
see that.
It's been trying to break that overnight low right there all morning. I had a area I like down around 93. That's
Well,
kind of where I was thinking long.
this is where I thought
But
we
if
were
it
going to be
sets up,
stuck all day yesterday. Like, I honestly thought we'd be stuck in this range
looks like
yesterday.
we are right now. Yeah.
But the NQ
I mean, if
stayed.
it sets up.
The NQ stayed a little bit lower, respective, like from like a relative where'd you end up. It never pushed back up the way the ES did, so it stayed below that range that we looked at the other day.
Yeah.
Might need to be thinking about the shorts. If the NQ doesn't push back up, we gotta sell the crap out of the ES. They haven't been like disconjointed like this in a little while, so
Well, it hasn't been able to break
should be some
low there,
opportunity.
so I'm definitely. It's weird because it looks.
You
Yes,
got the
looks
long already
like
on
it.
the NQ, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You got long right now on the NQ.
It looks like
Literally
the
right
ES
now.
wants to try to do it. You would have to do the NQ already, but again, on my rules, if the ES isn't doing it, I don't do it on the NQ.
The
And
ES
the
hasn't
ES
quite
isn't
got
doing
there
it.
yet.
No. We got a new bar here, man. It's probably work.
It appears that they want to come down with the ES and go up with the NQ.
All right, here's some scenarios here. Possible CL short coming up.
Yeah.
Definitely possible CL short sitting up here.
That I like right off VWAP, literally right off VWAP.
So if it
Like
breaks
that
down any
bounce.
lower, we get the sell signal on that one. The low.
Not VWAP, nothing. No, it's the 89. Sorry.
63.16, so 63.15. I'm tick too tight here.
63.15.
I'll
Yeah,
try that.
I would take that. I'd try that
I
too.
think I like that. Got the wicks up there. I mean, you should at least get a target on that.
You can actually go 63. Yeah, 63.15.
63.15. I mean, that'd be almost a guaranteed target, I think.
2, 3 off that. Yeah. Oh crap.
That should work pretty well. All right, let's bar tell us. All right, let's see. Thinking about that long on the ES. What time is it? 9:25. It's got to go now. If it doesn't go now, I don't do it. Let's see what's that little high point. That this will be it right now, wouldn't it? Let's see. That's I have 46, 25, 46. Okay. Target off.
On which one?
Yes.
Either, both?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I told you I like it. This is a time.
I passed up. It is a good one though. It is.
No, it's a good one. I don't know why I don't have it on the right account here. I'm trying to get my account sorted out this morning. Which one am I on?
You're going to run into a freaking brick wall though, right here around the pivot. But it's still a good trade.
Yeah, I mean, it's a valid setup in my book.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Target off. And if we pop up here, I mean, we could target like up there. That'd be a really nice trade this morning. Grab a tick or two on the stop there. Maybe to keep me in, maybe it won't. And realistically, on the CL trade, a break above that wick is a buy signal, because that's a pretty well.
I like that.
That's a valid structure.
I'll be honest with you, I like that better, because then you got a free ride all the way up to VWAP, and I got some resistance up there too. So yeah,
something like that.
You know what? I'll tell you what.
I like that. I'll squeeze it.
I'm gonna put a
6329.
I'm gonna put a buy above that. What is that? 30
squeeze
or
it, man. Yeah, 30. I got it at 30. 30 and 15. Looks like 30's gonna get filled though.
That. Yeah, 30's gonna get caught. Almost want it above this. What is the 89 at 30?
Right at it. Yeah. It's already bounced off it a couple times.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe 31. I'm gonna go 32 just to let it get through there.
Give it a little push. Yeah. Let it get a little push.
Let it get a little push through there. Yeah.
Okay. I can get down with that. I like that either way. I mean, again, I think there's targets either way. Whichever direction it decides to go, you got targets based on prior price action. Whichever way it decides to go from here, should have enough room to get targets. So I like that idea. That's a good one. Now if it comes up and takes both, then now we're getting screwed with. Somebody screwing with us. Well, wish I'd gotten it on in queue now. Well, there's an ES long though. I did say it was setting up. 35. Yeah, I think. Yes, flat green. Oh, nice. Oh, you got the short. Nice. All right, let's see. We got coming up here in just a couple seconds. We got the open, and we'll see how that runs for us. Now I definitely have to move that stop up some. Now. Definitely got to move that stop up.
We hit the top.
Flat ski. Ooh, I got lag too. I can't trade.
Let me look.
Oh no, okay. That got me into the CL trade too. Yeah. I'm gonna end up having to take both these targets at the same time. I'll try to get both those targets off. There we go. Done. Right at 930 CL long.
Yep, CL long.
24, 23 CL long.
Come on, little higher. Come on, little higher. Let's go. Get up to at least to that VWAP. Oh, don't you come back. Seriously?
I think we'll be alright. Maybe we should go just a tick higher on the stop. I'm going to pull my stop a tick higher, guaranteed profits. What are you going to do?
Oh, crap.
Again, like I said, this is pretty much guaranteed targets. Guaranteed targets trade. Now, if it goes on this candle, we're in shape. What'd you say?
This is an area I was looking for along here on the NQ if it comes down a little bit lower. Maybe around.
Yeah.
Like anywhere around here. Anywhere in this area, it would be a good.
All right, let's see here. We might need to really be thinking about shorting though in this, since we're staying below those levels that we talked about. But I would entertain the long if it sets up right.
See what happens.
Oh,
that's up. That's down. Oh crap! Yeah, I can't trade. I got lag too on this one here. Oh shoot!
All right, mine's good now. I'm really considering the short there, buddy.
On
anything.
on anything at all.
One. I tell you what, though, if gold does set up for a nice long, I take it. Here's an issue I have. I mean, this is an ES setting up for a long. I don't know if I want to take that long. I'd rather take the short. But this is the area you wanted the long from earlier. I think anything below here, we got to seriously just turn around and start thinking shorts. Like a failed buy signal becomes a sell signal at this point, you know. There's
Yeah.
your buy signal. Target's off.
Yep.
Boom. Oof. I didn't have time to get into that one.
I caught it.
Good.
Yeah,
All right.
I had
If
it. This
this
is my
doesn't
area.
run, I'm telling you, if it sets up
Yeah.
right on the lower tick chart and it doesn't run, I'm shorting it.
Oh no, 100%. This was my area for the long. If I doesn't follow through, then I switch my mind.
Got it.
Switch my thinking.
That's the wrong
Switch
account.
it. Switch it.
I almost got into the market. Dang it. On this NQ. Shoot. Oh well. It's only 933. That I almost did. That's short. Overbought from the 89 on the small tick chart. Both the ES and NQ hit the 89 on the small tick chart, and the big tick chart hits the 89 on the ES. Just confluence there, not short, and missed it. Just some confluence.
Yeah. Looks like my long was just a little delayed, or is it going to just come back down here?
I don't know. This is the stuff that when it starts doing this after no failed, like a failed follow through on the long side, failed follow through on the short side, I think it's sit on hands territory at that point.
Yeah.
Looking around, maybe think about this
Just
gold GC
not
long.
clean.
What do you think about the MGC long?
Oh God, I missed that short. It broke my trend line on
I know.
GC. Holy smokes. That'd have
What'd
been
you?
that'd have got
You
my 80
had?
back, $80 back.
Yeah, you would have had a.
Yeah.
That was a nice little clean line trend line break too.
Yes. Dang it.
All right,
I was looking
long or
at it too, and I
not?
got distracted. If it comes back up through on the GC, yeah.
Consider an MGC long.
That's that is 40.
Yeah, I think I
40.
might pass on this one. Just not looking like it really wants to stay up.
40.
Even that's not convinced me on. I'd rather take the short, to be honest with you. There's a long going to happen though. GC is going to be a long. MGC if you want to do it. I just got a little chicken on that one. Oh, there's your longs on everything.
There's my long on GC. All right. Go, baby. Give me my 80 bucks back. Get back up to the top of that trend line. I'll get my $80 back.
It looks like you probably might get to
Maybe
the.
not. NQ's doing exactly what I thought it would do. It just did it a little bit slower. That long was.
Took it a while to develop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if it didn't set up like this on the ES or NQ, I'd take them long. I think I would have. It just didn't give me a lot of confidence after it couldn't finish one way or the other.
Don't like the ESs. Well,
again, if it
would you take a short up here?
If it sets up right, I want a short, but it just keeps making V bottom, V top, V bottom, V top. Doesn't give me a setup to get in on.
That.
You know, if it gave me a setup to get in, I'd be in short right now, guaranteed. ES and NQ. I can't do that. That's not a trade I can get in. If it's set up short though, I would be in short. I mean, if we get a double top, I'll look at that too. But here's the way I'm gonna look at this: if these we keep getting fake outs, I won't trade it. I'll just sit on the sidelines until it settles down a little bit. You know what I
Look
mean?
at this gold. Yeah,
I mean, they're
we got to
definitely
find a way to get
trades. It just,
short.
huh?
I said we got to find a way to get short on
I
gold. I
know.
think.
I know. I know. I'm thinking about the same thing. Do we just do a bear flag down here?
Oh God, that's crazy. That's crazy on gold, but
Is it? There it goes. You'd be in it now if you did it. And
I
yeah,
did
that
it.
target's off.
I got my
I don't
target.
know how long it's gonna last, but I did not
It
get in
was
on
just
it.
a
I
little
was gonna I
scalp.
was going to get in the MGC. Well, no, I mean, stay in it, puppy.
No, I took my target real
Oh,
quick.
wish I'd had brass to get in that one short. That was a decent little short off that feld.
I should have held it
Long
because I think
signal.
this is
Yeah,
going to
no,
be.
this is a good one.
Oh, it's going to
That's a
go.
yeah.
Yeah, I
That
should have
I
held
looked
it.
at that really quick and I just couldn't get my sell stop in time before it got going on
I
me.
literally just went in and market. I just hit market right when I saw it coming down. It's going to break right there. When you said bear flag, I looked and said, you know what? That looks like it'll work.
I think it is. Well, I don't even think it is working. There's,
I got to get another shot at
here
it.
comes, yeah, I'd like to get a little rally here. Let's sell that. Sell a little rally back up to your trend line, or even up to this
That's what I want,
ledge here.
but I just hard to. Yeah, if it comes back up that
Maybe we
trend
get a
line,
clean swing here, but that you're right. It is another short. If it
I
fails here
think it's
again,
just
that's
setting
another
back up
short.
again. Yeah.
I mean, literally, if that fails again right here, that's a short again. I'm not gonna do it, but that's short. This is turning into looking like a bigger short on the NQ. Have to be in down below this midpoint, but again, I think that would be one that would guarantee profits pretty quick if it breaks down like that. It's just ugly.
Yeah, it's just not pretty. You get to be all the way down at, what is that, 97? ESNQ, I'm up, back off on for right now.
I don't know if that's a real miss on RTY long there, Tom. I don't know if I'd call that a real miss. Not a lot of clean stuff here.
RTY, I mean, RTY, ES, and NQ are looking, if you back it out and look at it, it's, was it an RTY long? Probably, but would you want to take that?
I just don't think I could do it. Even look at the smaller tick chart. And it's the same thing. RTY and ES are stuck in the ranges that I thought we were going to stay stuck in yesterday. So
just be patient. Just be patient.
We get out of these
get
ranges. Yeah, there's going to be plenty of.
We'll get
and
it.
NQ's still chopping around. It did that back here, way back here. Just ranging at a different level. So this is the bigger short. I'm trying to convince myself to do it because this is the bigger short right now in the NQ.
Here it is.
So, but the lower tick chart and the upper tick charts, bigger tick chart, are in opposition of each other.
That's a hard short.
I know.
I'm going to pass. I'm just going to sit on my hands. I'm not going to force this.
Now. No.
The only thing I really like right now is GC if it sets up. That's it.
If it rallies a little bit and goes short.
Look at your short. Just shot straight up.
Yeah, no. I'm not trading it. That's too big. I'm just saying, if that's the case, that's too big. I mean, your stop still, will a short probably work because your stop's got to be up here? Yeah, probably. Do I want to take that risk? Nope. Can't go above that last swing. That's a man stop. That's a big account stop right there.
That's a cojones.
It's a man stop.
It's
gonna work. Just saying, not in my trade plan. Get some swings here somewhere. Now
here's a thought.
CL short again.
Tick on GC.
Okay.
A break below that. Let me see what I got here.
This little ledge that it's making.
Sure looks like it's building up because I have a target down at 930.4. So now it might take its time to get there, but
that'd be a heck of a trade.
It would be beautiful. That'd be
a heck of
week
a trade.
over right there. Even in micros, that would be huge.
Day over. That's my kind of aggressive target.
Momentum is strong to the downside on GC right now.
Well, maybe we get a little rally. Keep it on, take strike, see if it lights up red, and get in a short.
It's solid. When I mean solid.
Solid red.
Even everything is, yeah.
Oh, perfect. All right, let's sell the next rally on something. You're getting a little rally here on GC.
Mm-hmm. Here comes your
I still can't get any trades on the ESNQ or RTY. They're just not doing it right for me this morning. I will keep my eye on this one though. I like this little GC rally.
Got a level 02. Wait.
Huh?
20. I mean, I'm sorry, 62 for what's been up there before. I'm looking at ES, but nah, I can't. I'm trying to convince myself that it's short ES, but
if it gets out of this junk, maybe a little bit higher. Because I'm sitting there at like 62 with a level as well, and I mean this is a short, and if it goes below the pivot, you got another, cause to think that that's a good short. I mean, it had to already be in it though. It had to be in below this. Let's see if this GC short sets up. I mean, yeah, you had already been that short. Probably should pull the trigger on those shorts on the ES and NQ right there. Okay, well,
you tell me. I'm watching GC.
All right, we'll keep it on GC and tell me if it sets up. Let me look at the NQ here. It needs to go a little bit higher. It's got NQs needs to go a little bit higher to give me a comfortable short.
GC is
we didn't get.
It's at an area where come on.
Yeah, I'm trying to convince myself, and I mean the chart says a short the ES and NQ, but there's just not a clean enough entry here, Paul.
Then guess what?
We missed.
I got all day. I got all day.
Win on GC.
There's your short on NQ, but it's a big.
I know. It's such a big.
I'm just talking out loud.
Such a big.
And there's your short on ES, but it's going right into VWAP. It's going into a lot of garbage right there. So I don't like it. Oh crap. GC could be setting up. Yeah. Take it.
I missed everything. Oh, I tried to get over there for it on my MGC chart. That's the one I should just gone in and mark it on. Did you get it?
I did. Yeah.
That was good. MGC setup. Hopefully somebody else got it.
I got GC. Yeah.
That was an MGC.
You had to be quick. I mean, in full fairness, you had to be quick. It set up really fast.
Immediately.
I had a hovering of my entry. I just dropped it right when I saw it move. Come on, break this low and go, baby.
Crud. All right.
Come on. Well, if it doesn't break the low, you're gonna get another shot at it. But momentum is really.
This came right back into the chop it was in earlier.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and again, I mean,
man, it's easy. See how easy it was to get that $80 back? That was a joke.
There's your $80. There you go.
There was nothing.
I would target
200. I'm up 200 already.
Like 90. I'd target right where it just came from, like 95.
90.
Sorry, 96. Yeah, or you're gonna get flat. It's gonna turn around on you. Maybe it stays in that chop. Yeah, I was gonna say. I would have. I'm not giving it back. I originally, when I tried to get it in the trade, was gonna put my target right around that 96 area.
All right, I'm good. That was a decent trade. I'll take it. Okay.
Well, sugar.
You know what? I'm gonna switch accounts on that. I just not quite at my daily goal, but it's close enough.
Just can't. I'm trying to figure out where we get in here and.
Yeah. SCL, man, it's just tapping VWAP, keeps dropping, tapping VWAP. It breaks through that.
On the long side?
Uh-huh. Are you seeing what I'm seeing or no?
Oh, no, I didn't put the view up on there yet. I should probably do that.
I'm not. I'm tempted to take that breakout right there. I need you tell me. Take a peek at the 15-minute looks ugly. What time is it? 9:40. Yeah, we still haven't even.
Yeah, we got time. I need to go do a mandatory coffee break. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm not too far behind. Yeah. Where did I put it in your thing, didn't I? Where did I put it? Okay. I'll tell you what is working good on the NQ in this choppy crap is the levels on the small tick chart. 77s and 26s are working really nice. This kind of market play is very favorable to that. All right, let's see. TC. Well, that ES would have worked. Couldn't take it, but Well, there's the down push. Where does this thing go to? Okay. Would look for long here if we get a setup. You're getting a setup here on the ES right now, but I want to see the NQ still pretty strong to the down. So yeah, there's your long on the.
Okay. Well, I heard you say long. Couldn't get myself sorted fast enough to do it.
Yeah, I'm long NQ. I don't know how long it'll last, but
Well, do the same thing I said to you earlier. As soon as your long fails, I'll take the short.
yeah.
This is where I'd like to see the ES short come from, anyway.
Long the ES long was good. I
This is exactly where I'd like to see the ES short come from. Oh, man. All right. Well, guess I'm not gonna pull the trigger on anything, huh?
no. Gotta be patient. I'm gonna step away for a second now.
Huh. Shoot. The shorts were the ones. A little slow today. We'll get one here in a minute. I really think the CL is a short. GC, that was a little tough. I did like that short from there, though. Dang. I wanted to be in that short too on the ES and the NQ.
All right.
Missed both of those shorts. Dang it. I wanted to be in one of them at least. ES or NQ, one of them.
Or GC.
Or GC. I did say the GC short was coming. It's just too big of a risk for me on that one.
Yeah. So,
Just a little big of a risk. Dang it. That was it, too. That was the short of the morning.
Yeah, it's because it's going to go.
Oh, it's going to go without us.
You're going to go without
Bugger
us.
pants. Let's see here. Pulled the trigger on that one. That's silly. That is just silly. All right, Brian. Maybe somebody got the ES shorts, GC short, NQ short, something. Maybe somebody got one of those shorts. A few people got some. All right, this is a spot where I would have a rally here on the ES. This is the same spot that I shorted the breakout the other day. Last week. Do I do that again this week? Am I that brave? Exact same spot I shorted it from last week. From the breakout, from the same structure.
Look at that gold. Ugh. Uggy, ugh, ugh. Okay, well, forget it then. I want to catch one of those.
We'll get a rally on that gold, and we'll get the short.
Yeah, I want to catch that. Here comes the breakout. All right, just come on down. Tough to say, but a possible yes. Long here? No. If it gets down a little lower. This is an area where.
Let's see here. I think this one looking down on
10,
another chart
11,
too. It's just
10, 11.
It broke.
God, that thing is just gonna dump.
I know.
Damn it.
Had to do that bear flag.
You took it? You got in?
Yeah, I got a target off. I don't know if it's gonna go any further, but yeah, down here you could possible bounce. Anything below here,
10, 11.
shorted again. Switch this to the account that I got the short on. That's gonna go get my target before I can do that. Yeah, I just did the bear flag. That's the only thing I could think of. That was it. That's the only thing I could think of. Now, I'm trying to think target here. Well, I said I was going to bear flag below this level, so target here somewhere. Put my stop down some. Let's see here. Target. I mean, this should have been the target probably, but now if that goes, and this is a better target, I guess. That's not gonna go.
Your long on NQ, long on NQ.
You get your long coming.
Long. Sorry, I couldn't say it fast enough.
No, I should have had a better target. The target was exactly where it should have been originally. Right down here was my original target. I should have left that. Oh well.
That's the one. Go, baby.
Oh well.
I knew it was going to turn down here somewhere.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll get a little rally to sell here.
Okay.
That's a good one. I'll take that again too. Yeah, I'll take it.
Sorry, I couldn't say it fast enough. It was really
No,
quick.
the short's the thing. Ah. Okay, you press the trigger on that short. I was just trying to get back in on the hook and stochastics on the lower tick chart. Just going without me. Oh well. I wait for A+ setups. We'll get them.
You still want a short here?
I'd like to see a setup happen.
Yeah,
on the smaller
actually,
tick chart.
NQ.
If it's making a little M on the smaller tick chart. I mean, if it comes back up here to like 25, that makes me a little bit more.
I said 11. It bounced right off 11. Look at ES. I don't know. This is, be careful. This could, I don't know.
I like the short.
Yeah, I guess your shorts are coming back. Yeah. Here's your shorts. There's your.
Or is it? Well, so let's think about it like this too. How about our idea yesterday that we saw the bottom?
Yeah.
We thought we saw it. Where was it? Back here before I left, right? And then it just continued to make lower lows. So I'm just saying that one of the trades from yesterday came from the same area. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I don't disagree with that.
And NQ staying below everything it made yesterday. ES isn't. So is ES holding the NQ up? I don't know. I don't like when they're that disconjointed, if you will. I'll sell the bigger rally.
It was a lot. Yeah. It came back, took my stock, and took it. I mean, it's a good trade. I'm not complaining, but
well, that's a hard trade to stay in. I mean, you look at the smaller tick chart. Look, this is how do you say that? This pushback, like your natural stop should have been here, and it just came down and wicked in and kept going. That's a hard trade to stay in.
Yeah, I didn't have the guts to give it the room on that.
No,
because of the strong down.
Here's a short. Do we do it from this level? Oh man. Well, I kind of like it better now that this is where I said I wanted to take it. Let's see. This stays up here. If it makes a little M on this bigger tick chart, oh come on. Give me a good sell stop spot. I'll put it in. Nope, it's not going to, is it? Maybe it will. It'll do that, or give me a. Huh? You're thinking long still?
Yeah, the ES is looking long to me too. I don't know. I mean, we definitely have momentum down, so you're absolutely right. But I'm just thinking
it's got to be a clean short. Here. Okay, non-parameter right now is clean short. That could you have said this was a clean short? Maybe, but I wanted to.
All right, there. I mean, if that's here comes your pullback on ES. If you're interested in the short,
you'd have to short it now.
Right there, right now.
Yeah, and that's
literally right now.
That's getting a little. This little descending thing's not in my trade plan. The way these candles are descending on the bigger tick chart, that's usually not a good sign that it's going to continue down. There you go.
I'm looking at the big, breakout. Remember what I said? I said they're going to pull. Remember I said they're going to push it down and then to reverse it up.
Push it back up.
That's exactly what they did. To where? It bounced right off that 11. Exactly where I had that 9. So.
Then we got to be shorting up here around the 89 then.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that, but it's going up right now.
36.
Well, you got VWAP just above the 89, so I would, and then the pivot. So,
somewhere around there. Well, then we got to be shorting
somewhere
there,
between
right?
89 and the pivot. Somewhere between 89 and the pivot would probably be a.
And that's where the good trades are at anyway. So.
And that's if you look left. That's where all the
I'd be comfortable with that. Well, and keep in mind too, NQ is still staying below the lows from yesterday.
Yes, it is.
A sell signal from up here around, up here around 43. I'd take a sell signal. I mean, that would correspond pretty well with the same level on the NQ on the ES right now. So Yeah, I think that makes sense. I mean, if it sets up right, it's got to be
Man.
a good setup. That would be it. Like a Globex low rejection and yesterday's low rejection for NQ. Some close enough,
Yeah.
or whatever that was earlier. 930, right around 930, the low on the NQ. I could start thinking about this. I really think we could start thinking about the short. You say when though. Got my finger ready to go. Go just a little bit higher. Go on. Give me about.
I don't know, Brian.
There.
I don't
What?
know. I, I can't honestly say short right now. I'm not saying it's not coming. I just don't think this is done. This is exactly what I thought they were going to do. They're going to pull it down just to get long. Now it's well, I don't know. We'll see. Let it go a little higher. Let it get around. All right, we're just coming through the 89 now. So we got VWAP next and then the pivot. So
Where's VWAP on it? I could probably just. I need to just.
42.57. I pinned it to the top of the.
I did. I downloaded
messages.
it. Let me put it in.
42.57.
So just so people know that are listening, I don't really use VWAP. Paul does, but since we talk about
Well, I mean, you can see VWAP just by the ticks, but I just don't feel like doing all the calculations. I just let it put it on there for me.
No.
You can see the average easy.
All right, let's think about this. This is probably a good short spot.
This is probably a good area here because if it holds this 89. What's the small tick doing? Let me look at the small tick. A 34.50 short. No, gone. Telling you.
Yeah, there you go. Never mind. Okay.
I'm a hold off.
Well, I mean, again, if it doesn't set up, I don't take the trade.
Right. Yeah, that's the beauty of the big tick. Oh, you're getting the
setup,
though.
Set up, man.
Eddie, you're gonna make me do this. All right.
That looks like a good area. There you go. Target's off.
I'm sure. Target off. I did it.
I don't know how long it's gonna go, and I got it on a different account.
No, I think you're gonna be all right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna target down here around 23.
Now we get a little pullback. Yeah, it could be just a pullback to go long.
And bring my stop down a little bit. Let me figure out
what's the NQ doing. NQ setting up also, so
I know. I want to try to get in both of them, but
I don't like the NQ. That's just freaking garbage. Ooh.
Yes, it's gonna take me flat before I can show my charts. Yeah, never mind. Flat. Oh well.
The scalp.
Okay. Well, now we know. Paul's right. They want to take it long. Don't play with this anymore. Don't play with fire anymore.
Long was the freaking off 11, exactly what I said, and like a dummy, I was watching the NQ.
Because
I'd still be in the ES.
I was taking a break. I heard you say long too, and I was like, I can't get to it fast enough.
But I was focused on getting in the NQ, so I missed the ES long. That's the one I wanted.
Both very good setups.
NQ came back, took me out. Yeah, but the NQ whipped me out because it's too.
Oh yeah.
Whereas the ES would not. The ES would not whip me out.
You'd probably be out now, but that would have been that was the only push down that probably taken you out.
Yeah. No, I wouldn't be out. No, I'll tell you why I wouldn't have been out, because I was pretty confident that this was coming up to. I mean, I think this has the pivot in it at least. So I probably would have given it some room. I think I would have held it. I don't know. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Doesn't mean anything. So who cares? I'm not complaining though. I'm $80. I'm up on 3 accounts. I'm fine. It's amazing how much. It's like even instilled so much more confidence in my trading. The bigger ticks.
Yeah.
And it's like I have absolutely no hesitation whatsoever.
No, not when it sets up right. I don't.
Right, because I don't feel like with using those small tick charts. Yeah, they were clean setups and they were early setups, but there was always that 50-50 chance that it was a false setup.
Yep. A lot of
Whereas
them.
I don't feel that way with the big tick.
You just had that, right? You just had that
Yeah,
happen on the way up here.
long at 47
Failed
RTY.
short.
Well, I haven't even looked at the
Maybe you got a target
RTY.
off. Tried that one. That's a failed short. Failed short. Failed short. Well, that one would have been. And then this one
Nice
was the one that
PVR.
made.
Nice. Good job. 30-50 ran up to 40-75. Good job, Lulu. Good job, guys. GC. What
Hey, there
about
you go. Good
GC?
job.
I can't touch GC right now, Tom. It's
No.
or was
Too
that
much.
earlier? No, too
You
much
had your
chopping.
chance earlier, and then there's too
Yeah,
much.
the shorts were earlier.
GC's in the middle. You don't do what and don't diddle in the middle there, buddy. It's got to get out one way or the other now to touch GC. Now RTY setting up for a short.
Yeah, it is.
That's something I think I would take a look at there. It's
So that's
going
at
into
the
where's it?
open. What time is it? 10:14.
Yeah. Okay. Do I like this short on RTY or no? It's a little bigger risk, but I mean it's starting to be a clean setup. The only thing you have me scared is that thinking that the other two are going up still.
Mm-hmm. What are you up to, NQ? Where are you going? What is it you want to do? I got nothing.
No, I can't touch that. I would still entertain possibly this RTY short.
Nothing.
Just can't. I don't know if I can pull the RTY off with the NQ and ES doing what's doing. You know, a little sketchy to me right now. What do you think? Keep it or lose it? Gotta decide.
I don't have it on. Just for the record, I'm not taking it. I don't like it because of the other indices.
I know.
Which could possibly turn out to be a great trade. I don't know.
It sure does look like they want to try it. I'm gonna give that a try.
All right.
I'm gonna
Damn
give
it,
that
you're
a
gonna talk me
try.
into it.
Let's see if it feels me right. I'm gonna take 2 targets early if it gets down there, like real early. There we go. 2 real early targets. It's just my top.
See,
I didn't move my stop loose
that's the
enough.
only reason.
I didn't move my stop
Pull
enough.
the Tom.
I
Pull the
didn't move
Tom
my.
on that one.
I didn't have to. Well, I didn't have time to move my stop back. It was a little tight.
I love how we have a coined phrase.
Pull the
Pull the Tom. Poor Tom. That's gonna live with him forever. Glad he's got thick skin.
Man, I should have pulled that stop. I just couldn't grab that flag quick enough to pull it back. That's gonna end up being a really good RTY trade. Oh well. If it doesn't make out to be a good trade now, then I won't be that worried about it. Should have had my stop back here behind this candle though.
I don't know, Lulu. You're that's crazy thinking you're taking a long off 30-50. Or are you already in the long at 30-50?
She did a buy limit, I'm sure.
She did it? Okay.
Buy limit.
I mean, earlier for sure, I'd have been all over that, but now I think it's. I think now, yeah, done for the day. I'll say right now it's a little bit suspect.
Short. Oh well, there was the RTY short. If somebody can stomach staying in it, it's going to end up working out.
PBR maybe, I don't know who's. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Lulu. I just think. Now we just wait. Let's just let it set up and do its thing. Swing out of here and give us a nice clean.
Yeah.
Let's look at GC coming down to that level down here and see.
right. These are still shorts. I just can't get in one. And I know they're shorts. I just can't get in them. Too big. What are we looking at? High ATRs. Really high ATRs, actually. Somewhat. Yeah.
Yeah.
ATRs somewhat high.
PBR, can you hear me better today?
To get your hearing aids in.
Yeah, he was saying he couldn't hear me yesterday.
Oh, you guys can hear
I do
Paul
tend to
fine,
mumble.
right?
I do tend to mumble, but usually when I'm mumbling, it's because I'm talking to myself about a trade. It's not. It's not anything I want you guys hearing.
I don't know. There's some cats in that head.
Well, that for sure. All right, listen. I've never claimed to not be crazy, but I'm aware of my psychosis. The good thing about it. Good morning, Red Wine.
Oh, hey, Red Wine, what's up?
Really? You got?
Is
Am I that low? Can you guys hear me? Anybody else having trouble hearing me?
Output issue from Paul? Anybody else? Lulu? Stretch? Somebody?
All good?
Anybody?
Nope. Here. Okay. All right.
Okay. All right, your speaker's
All right, well, I
broken
guess
in.
we're good.
Check your input. It's probably your input volume on the actual machine.
Gus, welcome, Gus. Are you new,
Hey.
Gus? Do we know you, Gus?
Gus.
Are you new?
Welcome.
Welcome.
Got a couple new people. Welcome, guys, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm sure it's on your end there. Good question.
Yeah, we need to go back through that stuff today.
We need to do a little accounting.
Gus, new people. Hey, KC71, good to have you again. Kevin J, he's here. Peter, what's happening? New people, welcome. There you go. There's our little welcome session for everyone. While we're doing nothing.
While we wait.
Keep wanting to try the CL short though, Paul. It looks like there's a setup happening.
But okay. I would entertain that if one sets up here now, because yes, I have a resistance level here.
So forget this wick and go in under that one? Or if it pushes back through again, it should go? Is that the thought process?
Let me look at your chart because you have a better feed.
I mean, I'm looking at this. And pretty clear rejection. I look like I'm frozen though. Nope, no, I guess I'm not. Just stuck there for a little while. Now you kind of have to go under this wick.
I'd like to have one more candle clean.
Maybe, yeah. Okay. All right. Well, it's
I don't like that wick. I don't like those two wicks pushing down and then
on the other side. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Looks a little cleaner.
I want to take the short on the ES, but it's just too big. This is, I mean,
it's a short, but your risk is.
It is. I just can't do it.
It's a short right now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna let the ES and Q get out of this junk. RTY as well. Let them break out. I don't care if we miss a run.
Watch gold what it does here at the low.
What are you thinking? Break out?
As in now. As in now. Literally as I said it. Yep. Sorry. I should have said that a little earlier.
That's all right. I mean, it's not like I've never missed a trade before.
I'm tempted to start trading 2 contracts, but then when I start doing that's when I start losing. It's like it's working with the way I'm doing it, so I'm not gonna. It's not broken. I'm not gonna fix it.
Yep. Okay, you got another candle there on the CL.
Okay. Now
I mean, obviously you have to be in under that bigger mid candle.
I don't.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's lighting up green too. No, I'm not. Oh, wait. No, that's the wrong one. Sorry, I was on the wrong chart. Head. I don't know, man. Come on, GC, go. Push.
Did you do it?
I did.
Oh,
I hit
yeah.
sell right as it broke the level.
Oh, give me a little bit more of a heads up next time. I would
Yeah,
probably
I
done that with
honestly
you.
did.
I
I
would have
looked
easily
over
done
it.
that
I
with
looked
you.
over it and said, What do you think about this breaking the low?" Right as I was saying it, it broke the low. So
I still think that CL's a short, but it's about to make right now.
boy, you just got a lot right there. There's a lot at 63.42. A lot. You got a lot. It almost has to break through.
No, I'd have to go below that. What's that low? That's 42. Yeah.
40.
I think you
Yeah,
get
41.
target. Yeah, all right. Never mind. You talked me out of it. That's good enough.
No, I'm
That's
not. I
all I
mean,
needed. No, that's
I
all I
agree
needed to be
with
talked out
you.
of it. Now the GC's a long, but I'm gonna wait for the short.
Let it come up and then let's take the short.
Now let's start thinking about this on the ES and NQ. If they get a little bit higher, where we originally wanted to sell them
ES
from.
and NQ have to go. Yeah, at this point, I gotta let it
We
get to the
originally
pivot
wanted to
on
sell them a little
ES.
bit higher, so I think that would be crude oil. Peter,
Where's the freaking pivot on? What happened?
he was asking what
What is
CL
CL?
was.
Oh, crude. Sorry, crude.
Or as I say in the South, oil.
Oh,
Oil.
bowl peanuts.
Bull peanuts.
Bowl.
All
At
right,
least
on the smaller tick
when I first
chart,
moved here, I was
the
like bowl of peanuts.
smaller MGC overbought at the 89, but below the lows there, right at those lows. Did we look at that short? It's overbought on the smaller tick chart. You got a nice little swing on the smaller tick chart. You'd have to think about it like right now if you want to look at it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll pass on it.
Actually, hold on. Yeah, pass on it. Just give me a second. It's not
Yeah, these
quite
guys
set
are
up yet.
not doing it
Just
right. It's not doing it right.
hold off.
Not.
Get ready. If you're gonna do it, get ready because it's about to bust through here.
About the pop. About the pop.
So to pop.
Again, another little V top on the smaller tick charts for the NQ and ES. To give me a decent little setup. Give me a setup on the big tick chart, and I'll take that short. He said, "There it is." Move my mouse for 2 seconds.
There it is. You didn't do it?
No, I was coming back while you were waiting on getting that set up. I was coming back to look at the ES and NQ here because
I even said it slowly. There it is.
That's all right.
You're not going to get much. I'm at break even.
I don't think this is going to take it very far. If it does, then great.
Don't. If it breaks through here, we're good. Come on.
Stay below that low.
You can do it. Mm-hmm.
It's still, I mean, honestly though, if you think about the bigger tick chart here, if it stays below this low,
there we go.
88.4, you still have the trade.
There we go.
That's just a lot to have to try to do.
That's why I said, get ready there. Come on. Don't go up. I'm going to lock in a tick or two just for the heck of it. I'm not going to give this any room at all. Zero room.
Well,
it either breaks or it takes me out for a small profit.
I'm a spectator today. You can call me a tater.
All right, tater.
I'm a spectator today. I haven't gotten a lot of good setups that I like, though. I mean, I can be honest with you. There hasn't been very many, like what I would call A-plus setups.
I love this gold, man. This thing is just, it's small little increments, but.
Rub it in. We'll just start calling you
Midas.
Midas.
One micro trading. All right, it's going to come get me. Oh no! Look at that! It one ticked me.
I'll call you Midas.
Keep going. Midas, the gold touch. Golden rule. Oh, I like that. It's lighting up red. Come on.
Oh.
I
Oh.
like to see that. I
Oh.
like to see that you can do. I wonder if I should give this a little more room.
You can do it. Again, if it says it's
There it
staying
goes.
down
There she
says,
goes.
yeah, it's staying
Bingo.
down says you got room to go.
Booyah. Cha-ching,
Everything
people.
below this level is sold.
Anybody get that?
That's actually a
That I entered that one
really
in
low
slow
one.
motion. I couldn't
That
have
was
got
in
in
slow
slower on
motion.
that one. I said, get ready, go now.
Me being the dummy I am didn't do it. I kind of like that as a
Nobody
level, but
got
I
it.
think I like this
Okay.
better as a
All right.
level. This is a real level right here.
Where are we at? GC?
Right
Oh, GC.
there. Right where
Yeah,
GC's at
that's where we've
right
been playing
now.
all morning. Oh, you're a little bit lower than me. Okay.
Just that's
I'm
that's
just
I think
above
that's the
that.
real level right there. Just based on recent
All right, so
price
you're telling
action.
me I need to tighten up my stop. Okay. I'm
I
gonna lock
think
in
yeah, but if it
half
breaks that
that.
level, it's off to the races on downside. So
Yeah.
if
That's
it
the only
breaks,
drawback about trading one contract is
yeah, you got to target really
you
well.
can't get out. Yeah, you gotta at some point in time you gotta lock in something.
And there's
All right, I'm flat. I got out.
yeah,
I'm
good
flat.
trade.
I'll take it. All right. Down from negative 80 something this morning to 435.20
Just on GC or MGC.
on one micro GC, one micro
MGC.
GC. MGC. Yeah, I'm not touching the GC.
All right, I should have done that one too. Again, I'm trying to figure out the short here on the ES and NQ. And that was the short on the RTY, but God, how do you get in this stuff? That's like, if it gives me a setup, I'll do it. I want to be in it. I'd like to be in the shorts. This is a definite short. Definite short. I just don't have a place to get in. There's nowhere that gives me the risk that I'm comfortable with. Still thinking about the CL2 short as well, Paul. Still thinking about it. The more wicks I get on my side there, I start thinking maybe.
It still has to break below what I said, though. I mean, I wouldn't even consider
Yeah.
it till it gets
Okay.
below 40.
All right. Let's
And I
switch
mean,
it.
like, no, I mean, I
There's
don't
GC.
disagree. I think so. Oh man, I should have held on to that GC.
I mean, the breakout on the short side was a way to go. You called that right.
Yeah, I told you earlier this morning. We just had to find a way to get short and stay short.
Yeah, this is one of those times where you almost just
Look,
think
it's
about.
coming down to my target down there. I told you 930, right? Isn't that what I said?
Oh
930.
yes.
I think we're going to get that
If there's a way to
930.
get
That's a
into it and stay into it.
huge trade, man. Huge trade. When I said it earlier, that would have been
You got
insanely.
it. You hit it. You hit it on the head. Yeah. All right. That's a miss. I should have probably jumped in that short with you. That was.
I was thinking taking just one 50K account, trade one micro, and just give a ton of room.
I mean, that was like a nice little push up to the 89, roll over stochastics. Good stuff on the small tick chart. Just passed on it like a silly goose. I feel like even that, but that was still hard to stay in with that push back up off that what looked like a double bottom.
Yeah,
that'd still be hard to stay in. You can't say would stay in that. Everything. I'll get a trade. I'm sure I'll get one. I know these are shorts. I just can't do it with the accounts that I'm on right now. I got a little green on my what I call money accounts, the ones that actually make me money. And then I got one more that I need to trade, that the actual money account, but then I can go to Eval, land, and play around there.
ES is nothing.
I, I
Literally,
I know
NQ
it's a
is
short, and I
nothing.
just can't. There's not a place to get in. There's just not a place to
I
get
mean,
in.
at this point, yeah, where do you take that short? It's the
I mean,
problem.
yeah. Well, you look at this huge. I mean, this is going to end up being a head and shoulders pattern on the big tick chart for the NQ. Actually, it kind of made one on the ES as well. But where do you get in? That's the issue.
I don't disagree with what you're saying. I just don't see anywhere you can get in.
I mean, the only place you could do that NQ would be like at 176. Yeah, something like
Wow.
that. Something
Yeah,
below
but okay,
180.
that's fine. But your stop is
Still,
309.
yeah, your
Who the
stop's
hell's
still
going to take
309.
that risk?
Me? I don't know.
Not me.
No,
No way in
no.
hell I'm taking
I
that
just,
risk.
yeah, that's,
Okay, there's your entry.
yeah, and that's gonna go.
I agree. I 100% agree. But
It's just
the
not the one
stop
I'm
is
gonna
what it
take.
is.
Yeah, it's not the one I'm gonna take.
So look at that freaking look.
The
Here comes my
gold.
930 on GC. Oh, Paul, you idiot! Dang. Oh well.
You guys don't trade nothing. Come
We don't
on.
trade. We don't trade nothing. We sure
You
can
guys
talk up a storm
just
though.
talk a lot. You just all talk. You don't do
Hey,
anything.
my P&L's green, so I don't really care. It's
So
like
is mine.
I don't care what you think.
I do want to figure out a way to get one of these shorts on something. RTY, NQ, ES, GC, CL. I did want that short on CL.
I mean, if you're ambitious, we let this thing pop up. I think we got the 930 target. And we may just go ahead and hit it now, but if it comes back up, we could get back in for a short.
Another for 20-point short.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it
That's a
doesn't suck.
thought.
A couple $100.
Yeah, that's definitely a thought.
Right? That's the only thing I can think of.
Let me look back through the charts here and see what we can. I mean, I'd like to see a rally here. The ES just pushed back up to get. I mean, the level I wanted to sell from is the exact level it sold from, but I mean, there wasn't a good entry to get in that thing. Now is another. This is another level. I think we could look at a possible balance for a sell here. I'm sure the NQ's in a similar spot. Just and again, same thing on the NQ. Rally back up to the levels that I wanted to sell from. Just didn't give me a good enough entry to get in.
There you
I
go.
think NQ
Boom.
may have been a better. Did you
Gonna
do it?
burn me. No, I didn't. Damn it.
Okay.
I should have just stayed in the trade when I was in it.
Like yeah, that
idiot.
should, could have, would have. That's a hard one to stay in. Man,
Yeah,
that was a beaut too.
I know. I knew it was good. I knew it. I saw it this morning. I said it's coming down there. I don't know how long it's going to take it to get there, but it's going to get it. That's a target.
Definitely call that.
879, and if it keeps dunking, 847. If we don't get a bounce around this area here, an 845 would be another long range target. At least that's what my charts say.
So
now here's the question: do we take a counter long here
on GC?
As in, I mean, it's risky, but
oof. I mean, that's a setup. I'd be more interested in counter long on the ES and NQ, to be honest with you.
Okay, I like that too. I'm a little bit more comfortable with a counter long on those. Although this is setting up for a long right here on GC.
It is setting up on a smaller tick chart
got
for a
ticks
short.
to burn now. It's risky. It's risky for sure. But
I think I'd rather look at the short.
It's long if you're going to take it. I am not, just for the record, but
I want to be in these shorts on the NQ and ES. That's what I want to be in. Like, it is very tempting to look at this. Especially
there you go.
ES.
There's a quick 10 points or 10 ticks, excuse me. Keep going. Did anybody take that? Anybody have bigger you know what's than me?
Can we short back up here?
I don't know.
I would get in. I mean, I'd be interested in a short If you think it sets up right. I want to be in the shorts on the ES and NQ. That's where I want to be.
It's hard for me to short it now because this was the level that I have for. Well, okay, well, if you're going to short it, it's got to go.
See long. Oh, there you go, Devin. All right, get out of it.
You took the. Oh, you did. Good job,
get
Devin.
your stop tight.
you were
paying attention. Paying attention. Hey guys, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if everybody heard my announcement yesterday. If you want some chart set up, or
hold on to that, because let me tell you something. This could, don't give it some room.
Yeah, that was good. If you guys need chart
this
set up,
could creep up.
I'll just keep my mouth shut.
If you need chart setup, we got the guy to do it for you.
We got a guy chart set up or help understanding what we're doing, how we're saying it. He'll help you out. We call it white glove service. You can go to our services channel, click on the white glove service. It's one time, $50, and get all your questions answered and chart set up and everything you need to make sure that you're doing things in line with what we're doing. We've had some people ask about that, so I just want to make sure that people knew that we have Gray's on top of it. He will help you out, and he does a great job of it too.
Gray's great.
Yeah, he's great. All right, can I? It just keeps not giving me this. I want to be in these shorts, Paul, but look at this. How do I get in that?
It's not clean. I'm telling you, you don't.
I want to be in that short, and I mean,
there you go. Even Devin said Gray is the best.
Huh?
What's your target at, Devin? What do you?
Should have shorted it.
How'd you get taken out so quick?
Can we short the GC starting up here in a second?
Let it get a little higher. I mean, I guess if it sets up, the only thing that scares me, like I said, this for me is a strong support area. Like this should be the area where it starts reversing, which it looks like it's doing, right?
All right. Then
and you got waning momentum. It's starting to shift. Green.
On a different note, look at ES and NQ. Do we entertain the double top on those? Especially the smaller tick chart or ES bigger tick chart.
I would be much more inclined to take that than I would a short.
I entertain a double top at that level is what I'm saying.
I'm not super pumped on the NQ, but I like the ES maybe. Well, no, wait, hold on. I take that back. Actually, the NQ doesn't look that bad.
They're about the same. They'd have to stop right now.
Yeah, but you're going to get the NQ is going to get up to like 313 before it even decides, I think. Yeah, it's going up there. Or it's going to get. Well, you know what? The old 77 might not be a bad little area.
Where to just bounce off of?
Mm-hmm. Just to catch a bounce back down to the 50. Yeah. Well, never mind. It just did it.
I don't need to trade that bad.
It literally just did it. Look how quick that was.
I don't need to trade that bad.
You should have held on to this one, man. Wow. Look at that thing going up.
Oh, you know? Oh, Gray worked with you. Okay, good. Perfect. Yeah, Gray's the best. So anyway, guys, it's just $50 one time. So if you need chart setup or just help in general with what we're doing, even questions on the trades and stuff, he knows it. He's good. He'll help you guys out. All right, not trying to sell stuff. So but people ask for it.
You're in an area, Brian, here where this could set up. The only problem is the momentum is shifting now towards the upside. That's the only thing that scares me. But this is an area where a GC short could come from. I'll let you decide on that. What's your tick chart look like? I like your tick.
This is an area. It is.
See, we're not really getting anything.
But it's not.
Where's that? Is that line the area? Is that the line that you put earlier, right there on your chart?
Yeah. Yeah, right around 74.
74.
Yeah.
So let's get it up there and see what happens.
All right, NQ short or not? I want to be in this trade because I know it's a good short, but never mind. It took off without me again. All right, maybe we'll try to get the RTY short then.
Couldn't hit that fast enough.
I'll try this RTY short below the pivot. How about that? RTY
below
short
the pivot.
below the pivot.
Yeah, below the pivot would be fine. That's safe.
I think I would tick above the pivot there.
I said earlier while you were.
Huh?
I was saying earlier on the NQ, it's respecting those levels really good today. Today's one of those days.
Oh, at
These little choppy. Yeah, if the old me would have been racking it up today.
If you're all into taking trades every 2 minutes.
Every 2 minutes, yeah.
I mean, you literally would have to do that.
But that's working. Dang, look at that freaking long. I don't know why I was so scared to take it, because that was my area where I had a bounce, but I was scared to take it. I know. I don't understand why I
talk myself swing here for the short, though, I'll look at the short from here.
I know. So I said, now we're in the area where we could entertain it. Definitely would like an overbought on the big tick, I think.
RTY failed the setup.
What's 6E doing? We haven't even looked at 6E today.
I wanted the short earlier, but it never set up. It was just too choppy to get in. I wanted it, but instead I looked at it this morning. It was too choppy to get in. Every time I've looked at it, actually, it's been too choppy. The story of today for most of the things. I've missed a couple good trades, but I just gotta say, Paul, there's hard trades to get into. Your GC trades this morning those were the things. And if you did those breakout shorts that we called, that I should have gotten one of them at least. Those were the trades.
I mean, it's okay. Maybe we get we get a good afternoon. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll have a good afternoon.
We got all day, guys. We got all day.
I got all day to get this done.
RTY, yes, below pivot, bounce at 49.75 south.
All right. So thinking GC short, yes or no? Clean setup, clean rally, MGC.
It's not overbought. All right, damn it. Let's try it.
Yes.
I got some ticks I can. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna. Yeah.
I don't like it when you say it like that.
I know, because I'm on the fence. I don't know. I'm on the fence.
I don't like it when you say it like that.
All right.
You got me off of it.
All right.
If this candle pushes back up, I would definitely put a sell stop in now. This candle pushes back up. Makes me a little structure here on the big tick chart. I'll do it on the MGC. I mean, again, these shorts rally up on the shorts are a way to go on the ES and NQ and RTY. I mean, you'd be in that short, but you'd have to have a big stop on the RTY. You'd be in it. All right, which one do we want to short? Do we want to do the short?
Now I'm starting to set up. Yep. I just wish it was over. The only thing that's got me on the fence is it's not over. It's just now getting overbought.
Well, that's okay. I mean, again, if it sets up right, I'll take a shot at it. It's trying to, isn't it? Yeah, you'd have to be below this low. That low is 54.9.
54.9, so 54.8.
Okay. Oh, there's a new tick. What is that low? That one too. That low is 54.6. So 54. Let me use. Oh, okay. Never mind.
54.7, but it's going up.
It's going up. It's going up. Yep. Never mind. Okay. That's why you wait for the big tick chart to tell you to do it.
Going up. That's a prime example of how the big tick chart saves you.
Saves you from taking a stupid trade.
Because if you look at it on the smaller chart, we'd have probably got in that trade.
Now you got to have targets off on RTY if you did that one. I was seriously thinking about doing
Oh, did it close? No, it's just closing now, right?
Just now below the pivot, yeah.
I'll take it with a solid close below on a 600 tick. Or what are you using, 5 or 6?
I'm at 600 right now.
Okay.
The volume seems to say 600.
I think if you get a solid close right here below the
yeah.
How many ticks left? 87.
Yeah,
Let's see what happens. I'll take that. I will take that.
Yeah, another breakout on the short side coming on the ES and NQ here. Just can't get I can't get to those entries. That's just too much risk for me right now.
So,
and
10,
the
9,
GC's
6,
still sitting there though, Paul.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Did you go?
If it breaks the low of this candle.
Oof. It's a little late for me on RTY.
On the big tick chart? I mean below? All right. There we go. I will take profit quickly. If it one tick me, seriously? That ticks me off.
You can't make corny jokes like me right now.
There we go. Boom.
There you go.
Free trade. Now you can do whatever you want.
Story of my morning. I'm just going to sit on the sidelines for everything. Oh, well. I'll get a trade today. Something tells me, based on my track record, I'll probably end up with a decent trade and end up with a decent day. That GC's still staying there, Paul.
I know.
You're not interested anymore, though, are you?
No, I am. I'm looking at it. Like below that, I think what is that? 50. What do we say? 54.7.
54. Yeah. What is that low right there? 55.1. No. What is that low? 54.9. So yeah, like 54.7.
Look at that. Look at that.